So hello guys, welcome back to another new video of FC Stars. So guys, in this video, I am gonna show you my new squad guys. Yeah, I know that I am making this video after 5 to 6 weeks, but guys, this video will be a blockbuster video. As guys, I will show you my new F2P squad from this scratch 85 overall squad. As you can see guys, my favorite club is FC Barcelona, and with from this 85 overall 1.8 million worth squad, we are gonna rebuild it to a brand new squad. So guys, why not, let's start the video with the goalkeeper position. 85 rated gold Unai Simon will be replaced by the OG, the best goalkeeper in the current era, Thibaut Courtois. Yeah, guys, I have purchased him from the anniversary event, and guys, he's absolutely top goalkeeper with long throw rate, amazing stats, almost 200 centimeters tall, the best goalkeeper of head to head, undoubtedly. And guys, on the right back position, we have the OG right back, Lilian Thuram. Yes, guys, I have replaced my old Zembrotta with this Lilian Thuram, the OG. Back to back two anniversary cards in the house. What a card, guys. Best right back in the game. And I think, guys, he will remain the best right back till his next card will arrive. Amazing, as you can see, 190 defending, 187 physicality, 181 pace. A complete fullback he is. Can also play in the right back position, dives into tackles, medium high work rate, 6 feet tall. Amazing right back, best right back. And guys, now let's move on to the maybe cam. Let's firstly sort out our cam position. Guys, at our cam position, we have two options, Wayne Rooney and Iniesta. And of course, guys, we will choose the higher OVR, Wayne Rooney, which we got in the league exchange. Amazing card. I have given him skill point of long shot. 183 shooting is absolutely amazing. Can play in the striker also. Dribbling, pace, physicality, all amazing. High work rate with a lot of trades. A great head to head card. And guys, now let's move on to the first attacker, guys. Firstly, we'll sort out a right winger who will replace this Embuemo. It's Ahmad Diallo. One Manchester United winger will replace the other. The GOAT, guys. He is absolutely a great cheap beast. I have purchased him, exchanged him from the anniversary event. Amazing right winger, guys. You can see 4-star stamina is only downside of this card. I have given him the skill point of dribbling, 194 pace, 161 shooting, 197 dribbling, 109 physicality, also high medium work rate. Height no downside, as guys, low, as shorter the player will be, his dribbling will be good and he will be more smoother. And guys, he's very smooth. His pace burst is very amazing, 192 acceleration, top right winger. And guys, now let's move on to the left back position. And guys, at that, firstly, let's guys sort out our defense. With the right center back, at the right center back, guys, we have Bazragli, who we got from the league exchange, and at the left center back, we have Rafael Marquez. Guys, as a backup, we also have Bastoni, my old UTOTS card. But guys, let's you have also already seen the Rafael Marquez old card, but great card. Still, guys, he's a great defender in head to head. And guys, this Bazragli from the corners hit good. Amazing card. His physicality, he can track back good. Overall, a decent card with dives into tackle. Straight 204 defending. Proper defender. Amazing defender. And guys, now let's move on to the striker position. Let's sort out striker. Sorloth will be replaced by Gyökeres. Guys, I have top strikers. I have Diego Forlan. I have David Ginola. I have the old Marco van Basten also. But guys, the higher overall Victor Gyökeres. Think guys, the best box to box striker, guys. 189 centimeters tall, 177 pace, 169 shooting, 168 dribbling. Can play at the left wing also. 171 physicality. The biggest plus point of this card. Finesse shot, long shot, takers straight with high medium work rate. 5-star weak foot. Top striker, guys. I love this card personally. I got him in a 3K gem pack and he's top. Till now, guys, you can see I already have 4 anniversary event cards in my team, 2 league exchange cards, and 1 old captain's event card. And guys, now let's sort out our first CDM. Firstly, let's sort out a right CDM, which will be Dunga. Yes, guys, Dunga will play as a left CDM. Actually, Dunga will play as a left CDM. And guys, this Dunga card again, and another captain's card who will play across Rafael Marquez. Top CDM as a Brazilian CDM, guys. Top 192 defending, 67 physicality as a DM. Medium high work rate, a lot of traits. Amazing card. Guys, now let's sort out remaining players. Firstly, a right CDM. He will be none other than, I have to sort it by position overall, and guys, it will be Ruud Gullit. Yes, guys, Ruud Gullit will play as the right CDM position. Top card, Meta CM, undoubtedly the best card of FC Mobile. I don't have to tell you anything about him. He is best card, of course. And guys, at the left wing position, firstly, we have Eden Hazard. Yes, guys, we have Eden Hazard at the left wing position of this current event. This current Footyverse event. Top left wing, best left wing, I can say. 197 pace, 203 dribbling, 105 physicality with 166 shooting. I have given him dribbling skill point, playmaker trait, top left winger, guys. At the left flank, he is amazing. And along with him at the left flank, we will play Alphonso Davies. Yes, guys, another wing back. I have also John Capdevila, who was an old great card of my club, but now it's time for Alphonso Davies to share the flank with Eden Hazard, Canadian left back who has 192 freaking pace, the fastest fullback in the game. 170 defending, 37 physicality, all rounder, can play at the LM, no traits, high medium work rate. Guys, he's a meta card, and as only 1 to 2 cards came, Alphonso Davies cards came after every 4 or 5 months, which is very rare. So he is a meta LB. So guys, now you can see we have reached freaking 118 overall, and we can also add one substitute who will be Diego Forlan. He's old card, you know already him, guys. Amazing squad. We have the highest overall squad without badges as F2P. Amazing. I know 7 to 8 more people as F2P who have reached 118, but I am one of the few. But my penalty taker is Eden Hazard, and my captain is also Eden Hazard. As I love this card, Eden Hazard. I am fond of this card. 118 overall. And guys, now we will play a head-to-head match with this team. So guys, let's move on to the game. So guys, we have arrived in the game. As you can see earlier, we have all three defense, attack and midfield 117, and we are facing Juventus, Dembele, Beckham, Xavi, Forlan, Hazard. Great team he has also, but I am trying this formation 4-2-1-3 with 2 DMs and 1 cam. Hullet is not a DM, but I am playing him as a DM to add extra physicality in the game. So guys, let's play. Eden Hazard will play. Okay. Lilian Thuram, good defending, guys. Of course, Lilian Thuram is a great defender.
Diego Forlan.
Okay. Alphonso Davies, good tackle. Eden Hazard is having the ball. To Victor Gyökeres, to Ahmad.
Good defending from Stam.
Good defending by Stam actually.
Dembele.
Now it will be at the left flank.
They
Davies.
go under no real pressure.
Davies stolen the ball from Dembele. Okay, Ahmad is clear. But guys, I think I am facing network issues. I don't know why.
Forlan. Marek
But
Hamšík.
due to that, I was unable to score a goal here. But no problem, guys. We will score a goal in this game for sure. Davies to Dunga.
Ball back with Juve now.
I don't know
Manic
why,
has
but actually my Wi-Fi is functioning good.
gone
But
like
guys,
a
I think I
rocket.
have to reconnect. Let's play another game.
Right, a very warm
Guys, we are
welcome to you on
back in
this
another
fine
game.
evening.
Now I think I
I'm
have
Guy
solved my
Mowbray with the
network
former
problem.
Arsenal and West Ham
But guys, the
midfielders
opponent
Stuart
is
Robson
having a
alongside
beast
me.
team,
And with the
a beast
atmosphere building up
midfield, beast
nicely,
attack.
what a match this promises
I
to be.
have to
It's
pull
LAFC,
something
and
off
they
in this
take on
game.
Barcelona. Well, often
Let's
we talk
see.
about the
Another away
tactics,
game.
individual players that are missing,
I will
but
play
so
at the
often it's the
attacking. So
mentality of the
let's play
players
at the
that is
defending
key to
actually.
winning any football game. Which of these teams has the right attitude today is the big question.
Cafu. Eto. Cafu.
Neto.
Actually, guys, I think I'll do the commentary myself. Davies. Marquez, good job. Rafael Marquez. Wayne Rooney. Okay, the opponent pinned my Hazard easily. Johan Cruyff. Zizou. But Davies was having the control of Cruyff there. Gyoke. To Eden. Eden. Step over. Good. But Cafu is also fast. Cafu recovered well there. Eto. Zlatan. Davies. Good. Now Davies has to track back. Eto is very fast. Davies is also fast. But let's see who will win this competition. I trust Alfonso actually, but open pass. Dunga. Good defending there by Dunga. Oh, the opponent is also having Alfonso, I think. Gullit versus Gullit. Cruyff. Great save by Thibaut Courtois, guys. That was an amazing save. Stellar save by Courtois. Okay. Danger should be avoided. Okay, Ahmad, please. Now we just have to press to. Okay, good defending by. Now Lilium Thuram just has to pass. Bad pass. Alfonso, Zlatan. They are avoiding their markers. Alfonso. Alfonso. Good defending by Alfonso. Forced opponent to make a mistake there. But my players are also fresh. I think they will remain fresh for the next 30 minutes also. Let's try a kickoff glitch. I know he. Yeah. Oh, guys. Very bad pass there. Opponent defended well there actually. Davies. Davies. Opponent was in a hurry, I think. Courtois. Google it. Again, bad. Guys, out of the 57 minutes, 37 minutes almost the ball has. What can I do more? I think, guys, I am playing bad. Josco. Guardiol versus Ahmad. Oh, guys, that could have been a goal, but missed opportunity there. Please, I want to score one goal at least. Now Thurram has to do track back. The opponent done a mistake that was a blunder maybe. Bazalagli to Hullet. Bad pass again. Lost the possession. Now I want to play on the attacking mode. Rude Hullet to Eden Hazard. I think something can be made through the left flank, but nothing. Cafu is omnipresent. Atostan Davies. Very good goal by opponent actually. He crossed, but what can I do? Bazaragali missed his marker. I think guys, one thing I need is a good CB maybe. In the next event, I will find a good CB for sure. I need something boost to my defense line. Ahmad. Gyökeres. Gyökeres. Cafu. Can there be one goal actually? Eden to Gyökeres. Oh guys, how Gyökeres, bro? How you have missed this opportunity, man? Please, Thurram, someone has to win the ball for me. Good defending actually by Bazaragli there. Gyökeres to Rooney to Hazard. Hazard. Hazard missed and chance, open chance. But guys, bad play. That was the video, guys. I know I have struggled, but I have already reached. Uh, what do we say? FC Champ 10 stars, so no problem. Most I will set a new formation. I think I have to find a new formation. But guys, this is all from this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell notification. So thank you guys. FC Stars is leaving out.